Goodie lovers, good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make banga soup, also known as akwu in Igbo land. This soup is a special one and I'm going to start by showing you the list of ingredients to be used. This is pepper and this black one I'm holding is called Ugba in my local dialect. This one in my hand inside container is Ogiri. I combine the two whenever I'm cooking akwu. And this is onions, ginger, the yellow one, and this is Uziza. And this is the Titus fish I'm going to use. You can see my vegetable, fluted pumpkin leaf and scent leaf, and goat meat, crayfish. This is the palm nut, and this is the stockfish I'm going to use as well. Now I want to start by cooking the goat meat first. That's how it's done. You cook goat meat with the stockfish. I start by adding salt and other ingredients like seasoning, ginger and onions. I'm going to cook it for a while before adding the Titus so that the Titus will not break. Now I'm boiling rice, white rice on another cooker, which I'm going to use it to eat the akwu. You understand? Okay, so now I'm adding the Titus fish as I said earlier. I added it now so that the reason for adding it after you've cooked it for some time is to avoid breakage because it's tender. Okay, now you can see I'm boiling the palm fruit. Now I'm pounding it, processing it to bring out the juice, which I'm going to use to cook the soup. That is the basic ingredient whenever you're cooking this. So the rice is ready. That is by the way. So I'm done washing the palm fruit. I'm now pouring it in the pot to start the main cooking. And after this, once you start adding your prepared ingredients for the stew, like pepper, as you can see, I've added my pepper. The next thing is to add the crayfish and pounded okporoko, the black one I showed you with crayfish. Then this is ginger. I'm adding it right now. After this, I'm going to add the Uziza, pounded Uziza. That's black seed. I've pounded it, and this is now Ogiri, the one in container. I added it also with the onions. These are the ingredients I'm using for it. So you have to cover and cook it for some time for those things to cook and also for the water to go down. The water must be remaining small, like it won't be much before you add your vegetable because you don't cook vegetable for a long time. Now I added this vegetable, scent leaf. That's the first vegetable I added. Remember I told you I'm using two vegetables, fluted pumpkin and scent leaf. I added scent leaf first because scent leaf has a strong taste, so I have to cook it for some time. I want it to cook more than the one I'm going to cook, fluted pumpkin. Now I've added the fluted pumpkin leaves and I'll just cook it few minutes. Let's say 3 to 5 minutes. You don't have to allow it to stay long on the gas so it doesn't change much color. Okay, so as you can see, my food is getting ready and very soon is to dish it out. Now can you see the result? I've dished out the soup with the white rice. In fact, this is called banga soup. You can testify by what you are seeing that this soup is really delicious. Remember I used goat meat, Titus fish and stockfish. The flesh stockfish, not the head. That's what I used with crayfish. So in cooking banga soup, you must add this okporoko and ogiri. These are the things that bring out that, that local taste that it ought to have. Without that Ugba and Ogiri, it may not really give you what you want. Okay? So now I want to test it and see what I've cooked. Just watch me. Watch me. It's very yummy, honestly. You need to try this food. Wow. So now, having watched my video, I believe you love it. You would like to try it. You can share it to your friends and family, like it, and comment. If you have any question as regards to how I prepare this meal, you can drop it on the comment section and subscribe to my channel for more updates.